In the digital landscape, search engine optimization (SEO) plays a crucial role in determining a website's visibility and organic traffic. One essential element of SEO is crafting SEO-friendly URLs that are not only user-friendly but also easily comprehensible by search engines. This article will guide you through the best practices and techniques for creating SEO-friendly URLs that can enhance your website's search engine rankings and improve user experience. Include target keywords, 150 words. To create SEO-friendly URLs, it's important to include relevant target keywords that align with the content on the page. Incorporating keywords in the URL helps search engines understand the topic and context of the page. However, avoid stuffing multiple keywords into a single URL, as it can appear spammy and negatively impact your SEO efforts. Aim for a concise and focused keyword that represents the page's main topic. Keep URLs simple and readable, 150 words. When it comes to URL structure, simplicity and readability are paramount. Use clear, descriptive words that accurately reflect the content of the page. Avoid using special characters, numbers, or symbols that can confuse both users and search engines. A clean and readable URL improves the user experience and makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index your pages. Use hyphens as word separators, 100 words. Hyphens are considered the best practice for separating words within URLs. They are more readable than underscores or concatenated words. Search engines treat hyphens as word separators, which helps them distinguish individual words in the URL. For example, a URL like www.example.com/SEO-friendly-URLs is more readable and understandable than www.example.com/SEO-friendly-URLs or www.example.com/SEO_friendly_URLs. Exclude stop words, 100 words. Stop words are common words like and, the, in, and with that add little value to the overall meaning of a URL. Including stop words can make URLs longer and less user-friendly. To create SEO-friendly URLs, it's recommended to exclude stop words unless they are crucial for understanding the page's context. For instance, consider a URL like www.example.com/SEO-friendly-URL-best-practices instead of www.example.com/SEO-friendly-URLs-and-best-practices. Keep URLs short and concise, 150 words. Short URLs are not only easier for users to remember and share but also beneficial for SEO. Lengthy URLs can be off-putting to both users and search engines. Aim for concise URLs that accurately summarize the content of the page. Trim unnecessary words while retaining clarity. Remember, a shorter URL is more likely to be clicked on and shared, leading to increased organic traffic. Implement proper URL structure, 150 words. A well-structured URL hierarchy helps search engines understand the site's organization and navigate its pages effectively. Consider using subdirectories to categorize content. For instance, www.example.com/blog/SEO-friendly-URL-best-practices demonstrates a clear hierarchy where the content is located under the blog directory. This structure enables search engines to comprehend the relevance and relationship between different pages on your website. Utilize canonical URLs, 100 words. Canonicalization is crucial for avoiding duplicate content issues. It ensures that search engines recognize the preferred version of a page when multiple URLs point to the same content. Implementing canonical tags in your URL signals to search engines which URL should be indexed and ranked. This consolidation of ranking signals avoids diluting your SEO efforts and helps maintain a single, authoritative URL for each page. Conclusion: 100 words. Creating SEO-friendly URLs is an essential aspect of optimizing your website for search engines and providing a positive user experience. By incorporating relevant keywords, keeping URLs simple and readable, using hyphens as word separators, excluding stop words, and ensuring a proper URL structure, you can enhance your website's visibility in search engine results. Remember to keep URLs short, concise, and descriptive. while also utilizing canonical URLs to avoid duplicate content issues. Following these best practices will not only improve your SEO efforts but also make it easier for users to navigate and share your website's links.